In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. Now, this game is not able to handle higher RAM speeds. Like most of the time, people with like good laptops or good PCs they face the problem with this game because it cannot handle higher RAM speed. I don't know why, but this is like weird. I checked like a lot of people like they have like very good RAMs on their laptop, but still the game crashes like 3 times during the when they are like gaming. That's exactly, guys, what I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you exactly, guys, how you can fix this problem. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your library here, okay, and then you want to just like right click on the game and then click on properties. Now, after, guys, you click on properties, you want to click here on installed files, okay. So after that, you want to click on browse. Now after that, guys, you want to search here. You just need to scroll down a little bit and search for Marvel Rivals launcher, and then you want to right click on it and then click on show more options and then click on properties. Okay, so after, guys, you are on this page, you want to click on compatibility here, and then you want to click on run this program in compatibility mode 4. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. You want to select here Windows 8. Okay, so after that, guys, you want to click on here, it says run this program as an administrator. Okay, and then after that, you want to check this where it says here like disable full screen optimizations. Now you wanna to check this. Okay, make sure you check these 2 boxes here, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Okay, after that, you want to click on apply. Another way, guys, you can fix this this game to not crash again. You want to click again, right click on the game, and then you want to click on properties, and after that, guys, you want to click on installed files, and make sure here you check on this verify integrity of the game files. Okay, it will take a few seconds. This is just like will fix any like corrupted like files that are not there. They could like download, they can download them for the game. Okay, if that makes sense. Okay, so it will take like a few seconds for this. Now after, guys, you do this, but you guys just need to close your Steam and then open it again and see if the problem is resolved. Now most of the time this is going to be a good solution for the problem. Okay, so if this one, guys, hope to drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If this works, let me know in the comments. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone, guys. See you guys next tutorial.